scares you more than just the dead in there.
Thanks for the warning.
Sorry. Not looking.
Check her pulse. She's looked like that for years. Hey, Paul.
How is she?
I don't know. I haven't had a chance to talk to her yet.
All right, I'll see you there.
Natalie, we know this is difficult for you, but we need to understand why, if you heard moaning, you didn't turn on the lights.
I'd walked in on Tosh having sex before. Wasn't something I cared to see again.
So you never actually saw anyone there?
Well, I sensed that
No,
there was someone...
honey, did you see anyone in the room?
No.
Natalie, did you know Tosh was manic depressive?
She painted half the room black. I had a pretty good idea.
There are no signs of foul play here. No forced entry.
What are you saying?
It appears to be a tragic suicide.
No. Tosh didn't kill herself. There was someone else in that room. I mean, aren't you glad you didn't turn on the lights, for Christ's sake?
A very morbid suicide note.